Hi, so today we are going to be touring two of the houses in the Park City area parade of home or showcases of home. And we're gonna go ahead and get started right now. Let's go. Mariah here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your very first time here. This channel is literally everything you need to know about eating, working, playing, sleeping, and living in the Salt Lake City, Utah area. If this is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below so you don't miss our weekly videos. We hear from people like you all the time who are relocating or looking to make a move here to the Salt Lake City, Utah area, and we absolutely love it. So if you are thinking about making a move today, tomorrow, next year, next week, or whatever, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and it would be our absolute pleasure to connect with you. Okay, so the two houses we are gonna take a look at right now here in the Park City area showcase of homes, we're gonna take a look at two, and these two are actually in a community that is called Promontory, that is on the east side of Park City and kind of nestled right up on a hill overlooking, it really actually overlooks the whole Deer Valley area and the canyons and all of that. So these two homes, the first home is by Ezra Lee Build and Design. And this home was actually in the showcase last year. So I actually got to tour this one last year. I remember thinking like, wow, this one is amazing. It had some spectacular features, and obviously the views surrounding this are, unbelievable as well. So that's the first one. And let me just give you some of the stats on this house. So this one is 5,800 square feet. It's got 5 bedrooms to give you and 4 full baths, 1 half bath, and it's got a 4-car garage on this one. And then the second house that we are going to be touring, this one is by Kiloween Construction, and this one was a knockout as well. This one is about 8,000 square feet, and it has 6 bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, a half bath, and then this one also has a 4-bay garage, a 4-bedroom car garage as well. This one had a walkout basement that just, overlooks the, incredible Park City views too. Very high-end features, a lot of indoor, outdoor living for both of these homes, which is a big selling point. Oversized, giant custom, beautiful kitchens, gourmet kitchens. And so at any rate, this one was a treat. The other one, definitely a treat. Would love to know what you think about these houses. So feel free to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you love best, and let's get ready to go. Okay, so that is a wrap of our Park City area showcase of homes for the 2 homes that were in Promontory, right in Park City. Would love to know your thoughts on both of those homes. The one by Ezra Lee and then the other one by Kiloween Construction. So leave a comment down below. Tell me your favorite feature, what you like best, which house you like best. And again, if you are thinking about making a move or relocating here to Utah, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and it would be our pleasure to connect with you. Take care and have a good one. Bye.